Yes, my name is Ranav Visas. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Ranav, and today I will give you the J7 Max special features. Some of the special features. What is the special features in the J7 Max? So guys, let's get started. But before I get start my video, please subscribe my channel if you not subscribed till now, and please like, share, and comment below. So guys, here you can see my J7 Max brand new. Okay, first of all I will give you the overview of this J7 Max. So guys, on the top you have nothing, on the right side you have the speaker and the lock key, on the bottom you have the USB and data syncing and data charging port. There's the microphone, okay, and 3.5 mm headphone jack. On the left side you have the volume up and down key. On the front side you have the 13 megapixel with f1.9 aperture lens camera, some mic, some sensors, LED flash, back key, and there's the recent key, and this is the home key with a very tactile and responsive fingerprint scanner, you can see. Okay, so on the back you have the this is the smart go feature and the 13 megapixel with f1.7 aperture camera. This is the LED flash, this is the Samsung logo, some EMI, and some information that pre-installed. So guys, let's get in straight into the some best feature in the J7 Max. So guys, in this J7 Max there are some best features. Now let me show you first of all, there's the face id, the face id lock screen. There's a very cool, pretty responsive. Let me show you. Was the Go to the lock screen and security, and there's the face recognition. Okay, let me give you the pin. Okay, one second. Here you can see, you can keep your face data, and these three will be shown in the face unlock with screen turns on, faster recognition. Okay, that's why you, when you put it on the lock key, and there's the use biometrics or swipe screen to unlock. That means what do you get in the iPhone X? There's the face unlock, which is still in the Samsung Galaxy J7 Max, is what is of 18,000 rupees around. So guys, in my opinion this is the mini X and better than X, iPhone X. So guys, this is the first of all, that's pretty cool features. And the second features is the smart glow feature. You can see there's a smart glow. Okay, let me show you how you enable this smart glow. Down, okay, so here's the smart glow feature. Tap it. Okay, so here you can enable it, and priority alerts. Okay, like WhatsApp. Okay, color is right RGB. You can set your manually. So test it out. You can see it's blue. So that is the special features, I hope. And last of all, the last feature is the okay, let me show you the very good tactile 4 GB RAM, and there's a maintenance. That's you can see I optimize it. Okay, let me give you 1 second. Okay, so here's you can see your battery percentage, storage percentage, memory, device security, ultra data saving. And there's a pretty cool features when your device is getting lighter, or just a little bit slower, your RAM management, and manually you can control it by the device management. And the last of all, I will give you, okay, yes, the edge secure USB backup, and there's a lot of many application. You can easily multi-window by this tapping. Okay, so this is the pretty cool features in my opinion. And there's the last one. I hope there's the last one is so in my opinion, there's the last of all the pretty cool features is the Samsung Pay Mini. Yes, Samsung Pay Mini is doing a great job when you in the today's life, and when you pay bill via any credit card or debit card, then you can easily go buy the Samsung Pay Mini, and that's it. And for your 4 GB RAM and 64 GB, oh sorry, 34 to 2 GB RAM management, there's a lot of speedy in this mobile. So here's some special features of Samsung Galaxy J7 Max. So if you like my videos, please like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.